Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to add a background color to your Facebook posts. In this video, we'll walk you through a simple and effective way to make your posts stand out with a personalized touch. First, let's get started by opening the Facebook app on your device. Whether you're using an Android or iOS, the steps are pretty much the same. Once you've opened the app, you'll see your newsfeed. To create a new post, tap on the What's on Your Mind box at the top of your screen. This is where you'll begin crafting your post. Now, type in what you want to say. It could be a quick hello, a funny joke, or a heartfelt message. As you start writing, you'll notice some options appearing below your text. Among these options, you'll find the background color feature. Tap on it to explore the various colors and patterns available. Choosing the right background color can really elevate your post. You might want something bright and cheerful to match a happy announcement, or perhaps something more subdued for a thoughtful message. Facebook offers a range of colors and patterns to suit every mood and occasion. Swipe through the options to find the one that resonates with your post's tone. Once you've selected your background color, you can preview how it looks with your text. If you're happy with the result, it's time to share it with your friends and family. Tap the Post button at the top right corner of your screen, and your update will go live. Adding a background color to your Facebook posts is a great way to add some personality and flair. It can make your posts more engaging and visually appealing, helping them stand out in a crowded feed. Whether you're sharing a personal update or promoting a business, a well-chosen background can make all the difference. So, go ahead and experiment with different colors and patterns. See what works best for you and have fun with it. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to add a background color to your Facebook posts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more social media tips and tricks.